Hello guys, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to hunt the correct IP to connect Airtel Unlimited file for HTTP Injector. So follow the full steps in the end so that you learn these skills. So open HTTP Injector, then click on Tools, then you're gonna choose IP Hunter here. So after it opens, in this search bar is where we are going to paste our IPs. I have pasted them in WhatsApp. So what to go, let's open WhatsApp and copy this IP. This IP is copy it, click here to copy. As you see these guys. Now after you copy, let's go back to HTTP Injector. Then we're gonna paste them in this box. So we're gonna paste them. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on search, start search. So after it start searching, it's looking for an IP, correct IP from the box. So what we're gonna do, turn on aeroplane mode to look for an IP faster. So turn on aeroplane mode, on and off, and give it time again. After the network comes back, it's gonna give us an IP. As you see, IP successfully found. So an IP has been found. As we go back, I think it has connected. Let's see. As you see, the correct IP has been found. As you see guys, when I come to search box, the IP is this one. As you see, is this the IP it has been found. So let's go back and check if it has connected. Go to home, click on home, then gonna click on start now. It will connect automatically. Then click on log to see the process of connecting. As you see, 200 auto switching, it's now connected guys. See the process that has been used to connect. As you see, now we are free to browse. We can browse as we want, and this is how to connect. Thanks guys, let me see you in the next video.